Hello guys, this is Mark. Welcome to our channel. This video discusses the validation of documents before release to ensure their suitability and adequacy, as required by Element 752 of the ISO 9001 standard. There are three stumbling blocks in making documents suitable and adequate. Unqualified writers, not essential information in procedures, and lack of validation of procedures at the point of use. Let's start with the deficiencies in the quality of the content. It is excessive wording. Use of passive voice, which is a no-no in technical writing. Spelling and grammatical errors. Hard to follow content. And conflicting requirements. To address these issues, we may send somebody for technical writing training. Be realistic, though. I have seen such graduates, so to speak, who still did not have a clue about how to write procedures. While looking for a good course, a second option may be a grammar checker, such as Grammarly. Give it a try, it works wonders. The link to it is in the description below. Now let's move on to not essential information or waste in procedures. Henry Ford once said, "If it doesn't add value, it's waste." For example, can you perform a high-pot test on a power supply without a company name and the logo on the work instruction? Can you process a customer complaint without knowing what the superseded revision of the complaints procedure was? Or, can you place a purchase order per the work instruction that does not have a document number? The answer to all these questions is yes, you can. So, by the definition, these three sorry attributes are waste, and we should weed them out of our procedures. I published a playlist on wastes in procedures on our YouTube channel some time ago. I also discuss ISO documentation waste in my book. You can find links to the list and the book below. Anyway, I counted close to 25 wastes that may impact the quality of your documents. If you wish to discuss the validity of my assumptions, please comment or drop me a line. I will be happy to hear your thoughts. So, we identified the problem. Now is the time for a solution. The good news is that we do not need to worry about all the wastes individually. We can create a procedure template without a place for the company name and logo. We call our document a procedure instead of a standard operating procedure, without the document number and others. This will kill more than half of the waste categories. If you like the idea, you can find this template in downloads on our website. We are making progress, but we still should address the remaining trash on our master wastes list. A checklist in your document change record may filter out the rest of the waste categories. Do you specify training requirements? Do you refer to approved suppliers? Are your reference documents relevant to the performance of the task? And others. The only issue left is validating a procedure at the point of use. Generally, reviewers approve documents in their offices, thinking they know the processes they review and sign. Unfortunately, the lack of trials in real environments causes all these deficiencies we discussed. Believe it or not, through decades of my auditing and consulting, I have seen only 2 or 3 companies that required validation of documents before release. Stay with me. In the following video, I will walk you through our document change record process that includes a requirement for validation so you may implement this feature at your company. This is all for today, folks. Let's summarize our discussion. Ensure the appropriate qualification of your writers. Use procedure template to eliminate most wastes. Use a waste filter checklist to reduce or eliminate the rest of the waste in your document change process. Validate procedures in a real environment, not the office, to ensure user acceptance. If you wish to check our free downloads, go to the Academy page on our website and see if you like our templates. Thank you for subscribing, likes, and comments. Your support helps us promote our Lean QMS project. Thanks for joining me today and stay tuned for the following videos. I hope to see you then.